Family is not just where we begin. It is where we return. In moments of joy, in seasons of pain, and through the everyday routines of life. It is the foundation on which our emotional world is built. From our earliest days, family is our first mirror. It reflects our worth, our place in the world, and what love looks like. Whether that reflection was kind or complicated, it shaped the way we see ourselves. Family teaches us how to love, but also how to hurt. How to trust, and sometimes how to protect ourselves. But even in the hardest chapters, family holds the potential for healing. For reconnection. For new beginnings. The truth is, no family is perfect. Some are full of laughter. Others are marked by silence. Some are close-knit. Others are scattered across distance, physical or emotional. But no matter what form your family takes, it has the power to shape your life deeply. Family relationships demand effort. They are not built on convenience or ease, but on choice. The choice to listen when we're tired. The choice to forgive when we've been hurt. The choice to stay connected, even when life pulls us in different directions. Love in a family is not measured by grand gestures. It's in the small moments. The daily check-ins. The quiet support. The simple presence. And sometimes, just sitting together in silence, knowing you're not alone. To have strong family relationships, we must learn to communicate. And not just to speak, but to truly listen. To understand. To ask questions. To hold space without judgment. To say what we feel before resentment builds. There will be conflict. There will be misunderstandings. But these are not signs of failure. They are invitations. Opportunities to grow. To stretch our empathy. To let love be stronger than pride. Sometimes, healing begins with one message. One apology. One brave conversation. The first step doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be taken. Family doesn't always mean shared DNA. Sometimes, the most powerful families are the ones we choose. Friends who became siblings. Mentors who became parents in spirit. What matters is the love. The consistency. The presence. You can be the one to change the story in your family. You can be the one to introduce peace where there was conflict. You can offer understanding instead of blame. Support instead of criticism. Connection instead of isolation. If there is distance in your family right now, close it with a call. If there is silence, break it with kindness. If there is pain, face it with courage. You don't need to fix everything in a day. You only need to begin. Because when we choose love, over and over again, when we choose to keep showing up, we build something unshakable. We build trust. We build safety. We build home. And in a world that often moves too fast, with relationships that fade too easily, family, true family, becomes our anchor. A source of strength. A place to rest. A reason to keep going. So hold on to them. Call them. Tell them what they mean to you. Apologize if you need to. Celebrate what's good. Rebuild what was broken. And be the kind of family you always wished for. Because no matter how far we travel, no matter what we achieve, the relationships we have with our family, by blood or by choice, are among the most valuable parts of our lives. Choose to honor them. Choose to grow through them. And choose to love, fiercely and freely. Because in the end, it's not the house, the money, or the job that defines your life. It's the people who love you. And the people you choose to love back.